to be a millionaire? That's great. But it's not just about wanting it. I'm here to tell you it's possible. It starts with believing in yourself and your potential. It's not about luck or being born rich. It's about taking control of your financial destiny. It's about having the right mindset. A mindset that embraces challenges and sees opportunities. It's about hard work, smart decisions, and commitment. You need to be ready to put in the effort. First things first, forget the get-rich-quick schemes. They promise the world but deliver little. They're just that, schemes. Instead, focus on building real, sustainable wealth. Building wealth takes time and discipline. It's a marathon, not a sprint. You need a plan, a budget, and the willingness to stick to it. Consistency is key. Think of it like building a house. Each step is crucial. You need a strong foundation. Without it, everything can crumble. In personal finance, that's your budget. It's the bedrock of your financial health. It's about understanding where your money goes and making it work for you. Every dollar should have a purpose. Remember, becoming a millionaire isn't just about the money, it's about what the money allows you to do. It's about the freedom it brings, the freedom to pursue your passions, help others, and live life on your terms. Financial success is a tool to create the life you desire. So start today, cultivate the million-dollar mindset, and watch your dreams turn into reality. Now that you're in the right mindset, let's talk goals. Setting clear, achievable goals is the first step towards financial success. You can't hit a target you can't see, right? Visualizing your goals makes them more tangible and attainable. Write down your financial goals. Be specific. Whether it's saving for a house, a car, or a vacation, clarity is key. How much do you want to have saved? By when? Set a timeline and a specific amount to keep yourself accountable. Next, tackle your debt. Debt is a financial anchor weighing you down and holding you back. Freeing yourself from debt is liberating. Use the debt snowball method. It's a powerful strategy to gain momentum. List your debts smallest to largest regardless of interest rates. Attack the smallest one first, celebrate the small victories. And once it's gone, roll that payment into the next one. This creates a snowball effect, accelerating your debt payoff. While you're paying off debt, start building an emergency fund. This fund is crucial for financial stability. This is your safety net for unexpected expenses. It prevents you from falling back into debt. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This cushion gives you peace of mind. With a solid financial foundation in place, you're ready to start building multiple streams of income. Diversifying your income sources is a smart way to ensure long-term financial health. Who wouldn't want to make money while they sleep? That's the beauty of passive income. It's about putting in the work up front and then reaping the rewards over time. One popular option is dividend-paying stocks. These are companies that share their profits with their investors. It's like getting paid to own a piece of the company. Another avenue is creating and selling digital products like online courses or ebooks. Once created, they can generate income for years to come with minimal upkeep. Remember, building passive income streams takes time and effort, but the rewards, in terms of financial freedom and flexibility, are well worth it. Real estate has long been a popular path to wealth building, and for good reason. It offers both income potential and the possibility of appreciation. One option is to become a landlord. Buy a property, rent it out, and collect monthly income. It's not always easy being a landlord, but it can be a great way to build long-term wealth. Another avenue is flipping houses. This involves buying undervalued properties, fixing them up, and then selling them for a profit. It requires knowledge of the real estate market and renovation skills. Remember, real estate investing involves risks. Do your research, understand the local market, and consider working with experienced professionals. Section 5. The stock market. Investing for the future. The stock market can be intimidating for beginners, but, it's a powerful tool for building wealth over the long term. Start by learning the basics. Understand different investment vehicles like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider starting with low-cost index funds. These funds track a specific market index, providing broad diversification. Remember, investing in the stock market involves risk. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose, and never make investment decisions based on emotions or market hype. Consider working with a financial advisor who can help you create a personalized investment plan based on your goals and risk tolerance. Section 6. Side hustles and online businesses. In today's digital age, there are endless opportunities to make extra money. Side hustles and online businesses offer flexibility and the potential to earn significant income. If you enjoy driving, consider becoming a rideshare driver. Or, if you have a knack for writing, offer freelance writing services online. The online world is bursting with opportunities. Start a blog, create and sell online courses, or explore the world of e-commerce. The key is to find something you enjoy and that aligns with your skills and interests. Section 7. Saving smarter, not harder. Saving money doesn't have to mean sacrificing your lifestyle. It's about being smart with your spending and finding ways to cut costs without feeling deprived. One effective strategy is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. You won't even miss the money. Negotiate lower rates on your bills like your car insurance or internet service. You might be surprised at how much you can save just by asking. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Make saving a habit and watch your wealth grow. Section 8. Your journey to financial freedom. Becoming a millionaire is a journey, not a sprint. It's a path filled with learning, growth, and continuous improvement. It requires discipline, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. You must be ready to face challenges and overcome obstacles. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to building wealth. Each person's financial journey is unique and personal. What works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to explore various strategies and find what resonates with you. It's about finding what works best for you and your unique circumstances. Tailor your financial plan to suit your goals and lifestyle. Stay informed about personal finance. The financial world is ever-changing, and staying updated is crucial. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend seminars. These resources can provide valuable insights and keep you motivated. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Knowledge is power in the world of finance. Now I want to hear from you. Your experiences and tips can inspire others on their journey. What are your favorite money-making tips or side hustles? Share your strategies and successes. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your input can make a difference in someone else's financial journey. Let's learn from each other and achieve financial freedom together. By sharing our knowledge and experiences, we can all grow and succeed.